Hi everyone, my name is Roger Sanchez, the owner and operator of DynamicoDesigns.com, a website development and design company. And I'm here to show you a nifty little trick on one of the best plugins I think I've ever had the privilege of using, and it's by tipsandtricks-hq.com. It's called WordPress plugin for category specific RSS feed subscription menu. Now the reason why this is such a cool plugin, first off, is you can basically have people subscribe to whatever custom category you have on WordPress. There's a lot of people, myself included, who do not like to subscribe to a website that you're going to end up getting an RSS feed of just about every single update that's on their website. This limits that to just specific categories, and I'm about to create a pretty big website for that helps show off local bands, and it's going to be pretty unlimited. So I want to make sure that people can subscribe to just that particular band's post page, and that's where this part comes in handy. This tutorial. Right now, the default that you're able to edit or to add as far as RSS feeds are deemed is 8. I added this 9th one on here with some back-end coding. So that's basically what I'm going to show you, is how you can increase this list here to an X amount of RSS feeds for that one particular website. And this is definitely going to help in a lot of ways. It's going to help with people wanting to subscribe to just specific things, not feeling like they're obligated to subscribe to everything going on your website. So let's go ahead and get started. The first thing you're going to want to do, if you haven't done so already, is you can either go to tipsandtricks-hq.com and search under projects, and then you can find category specific RSS. The other way that you can do it is you can go to wordpress.org and go to the extend plugin area, and I just type in category RSS, and it's usually third in the list, but you could type in the whole title, category specific RSS feed subscription, right there, and you could download there, or if you're logged onto your WordPress site, it would actually say install now or not. So once it's installed, basically you're going to see under your settings that there's a category specific RSS here. Now again, you can go in and change all these, but we're not going to discuss that right now. We're going to discuss the big question that's on a lot of people's minds, that I see the questions all the time: categories. How do you increase these numbers? Because the default is 8. Let's go ahead and start. First thing you're going to want to do is go to your plugins and go to editor on plugins. So once you click that, you'll be taken to this page. And select plugin to edit. You just open this up until you see category specific RSS menu. You click on that and you get your code. You are taken here. Make sure that the file that you're going to be editing is category specific RSS-wp.php. It's going to be this very first one, because this is the one that has all the functions that you need to edit. So what I do, I use WordPress, so I just Control A to select all, and then Control C to copy, and open it up in, let's see, this is my existing one, but I'm going to go ahead and open up a new HTML document and just create. And with me, it doesn't matter if it's HTML or whatever, I just delete all that, and Control V to paste your code. Now from here, I'm going to try to make it as easy as possible, because there's not a lot of people who would be able to understand all the stuff that's going on in here. I'm going to trim it down to the areas that you need to focus on. You scroll down until you hit this area. You're looking at it like, wow, okay, that looks like it's got 8. Actually, it's got 9 because it has the edit that I just did. So the first thing you're going to want to do is go to line 91. That's what it's showing right here. And then you obviously see that there's duplicates of each of these right here. So you're going to copy the last one. I'm going to Control C to copy, and then enter twice, and Control V to paste. Now you see there are 2 9s now because I copied and pasted. Let's go ahead and change that to 10. And this one to 10. Change that to 10, and this one to 10. There you go. You created another get option there. Now let's scroll down, because obviously there's a lot more. There's about 3 more steps. This one obviously has 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It's the same thing. So what you're going to want to do is duplicate the bottom code here. Making sure to avoid things that you don't need. So I'm going to make it easy right here. Let's take the first if statement all the way down to the end bracket. We copy that, press enter. Yeah, you can press enter once just to keep in line with this. Now you have 2 9s. So let's change this one to 10. And the next one to 10. Look down, there's another one right there that's a 9. Change that to 10. And 10. Good. Let's scroll down a bit more. Now right here you also want to change this to 10. This is line number 194. And scroll down, look at that. We have another list. And obviously you see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 all the way down to 9. Let's go ahead and copy this. And there you go. We can go ahead and change that 9 to 10. Change that 9 to 10. Change that 9 to 10. And that one. Great. So we're just about done. We scroll down a bit more and we see, there's a little bit more going on here as well. Now this, obviously, if anybody's familiar with standard HTML, you're going to kind of recognize that this is probably your backend in WordPress. It is this menu that you're looking at. This is the backend code of it. So let's look at this. That's going to tell me that there's going to be that list, the tabled list of this coming up here very shortly in this code. Keep scrolling down. There we go. Look at that. RSS category name 1. Let's keep scrolling down till we get to the 9th one. 7, 8, 9. Now again, remember, you guys are not going to see 9. You guys are only going to see 8. So you start where the 8 is. So this one's going to be pretty easy. If you're, all you have to do is just start on the TR tag right there and then end TR. You copy that, press enter twice, and paste. Now we change category 9 to 10. Scroll down, change that to 10. Keep looking over the lines here. Change that to 10. Go back here, change that to 10. Go over here and change that to 10. There you go. And that's all there is to it. Now, even intermediate, beginning and intermediate people in the WordPress interface are definitely understanding that you can actually go into the plugins editor and just copy code and change things and whatnot in there. So we're going to copy all this. We go back here and go into our edit plugins. Remember, we are in the category specific RSS menu area. Remember that it has to be the PHP one that you're looking at, and you will always see the one that's active by looking up here. So remember, this is the name that you want. So we Control A on that, delete, and then Control V to paste. Now your new code is in there. Let's go ahead and save this, update the file. A bit of a slow connection. There we go. So now that it's already refreshed itself, or that page is already saved, file edited successfully. We got that message. So let's go to the tab that has this open. Now right now, like I said, you see 9. So let's go ahead and refresh this. Might ask you if you need to resend it. Go ahead and say yes. And there you go. Category name number 10. Now again, you have multiple categories. This is an invaluable thing to know if you're looking to grasp your audience and if you're looking to give your audience catered specific things to look forward to, not a jumbled mess of everything that your website updates on a daily basis. So that's basically it. Again, huge thank you to Tips and Tricks HQ. This is an amazing plugin, and again, I just saw that there were a lot of people asking questions on how to make more categories, and that's the way to do it. And again, if you want to know how to put this on the front end of the site and whatnot, the instructions that they have on their documents are actually very simple to follow, and go from there. Other than that, just keep repeating that process, the process with the code, and you're good to go. Add an infinite amount that you want, and that's it. Again, this is Roger Sanchez from dynamicodesigns.com, and I appreciate your time in watching this video. And I hope I've helped you out. Have a great day.